All right. Today I'm going to show you how to use makesense AI in this short tutorial. First of all, press on the get started button, then choose your images and drag and drop it here. So I have 108 images of leopards. Then you have to go to the object detection. Here you need to add the what is the label. Okay. Then press on start project. First of all, then let's select the leopard here. Then here we need to select the label. This needs to be only done once. Then after that, when you are selecting another leopard, it will automatically pick up the label. Okay. Let's assume like now we have selected all the leopards. Okay. So you need to go to actions and go to export annotations. Here you can choose what type of what is the type you need to export. So here I'm going to export in the YOLO format. Select the YOLO format and export. Then it will automatically download. You can then here I have in download I have the annotations for each and every image. Here if you go here we have the x coordinate, y coordinates, and the height and width. This is the label. We only have one label, that's why it shows 0. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.